Hello, third graders. Welcome back to your third ELA assignment. We're going to continue to look at relationships. So let's take a look here. We have table, horse, chair, person. So we need to look at how are the four items related. Well, let's look. Table has 4 legs. Does a horse have 4 legs? Yes. A chair has 4 legs, but a person only has 2 legs, but they have 2 arms as well, so 4 limbs maybe? Okay, so we could say that, and then we need to add one other item that fits into this relationship. So you need to think of something that has 4 limbs. So could we say maybe a dog? Yeah, I think that would work. Okay, so good luck with your relationships activity.